Did you know Miami Car Wash and Detailing Center on Springbank Drive just added a new touchless car wash and detailing center?
Now they can handle full detailing on just about any vehicle, from cars to boats.
They'll even restore your foggy headlights.
Stop into their detailing center today and get your vehicle winter ready. Or try the new automatic wash.
Detailing at Miami Car Wash. No appointment necessary. Full service and touchless automatic on Springbank Drive. Self-service on Exeter Road and online at miamicarwash.ca. Expect the best.